Hello! Welcome to Daily English Lines. My name is Joe. I am your host. Today, we are learning English. We will learn very simple English. We will speak slowly. We will speak clearly. Are you ready? Let's start. Today, we will talk about health. Sometimes we do not feel good. Sometimes we feel sick. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor. The doctor looks at you and asks, "What is the matter?" You need to answer. You need to describe your symptoms. Symptoms means how your body feels when you are sick. Today, we will learn how to describe these symptoms in English. First, let's learn the word ache. A-C-H-E, ache. Ache means pain. Ache means it hurts. We use the word ache together with body parts. Let's start with the head. Head plus ache is headache. Headache. I have a headache. My head hurts a lot. I have a headache. Now it is your turn. Listen and repeat. I have a headache. Very good. Again, I have a headache. Great job. Next, the stomach. Stomach plus ache is stomach ache. Stomach ache. My stomach hurts after I eat. I have a stomach ache. Listen and repeat. I have a stomach ache. Good. One more time. I have a stomach ache. Excellent. Next, the tooth. Tooth plus ache is toothache. Toothache. My tooth hurts. I need a dentist. I have a toothache. Listen and repeat. I have a toothache. Very good. Again, I have a toothache. Perfect. Let's add the back. Back plus ache is backache. Backache. My back hurts from working. I have a backache. Listen and repeat. I have a backache. Good. Again, I have a backache. Great. Let's add the ear. Ear plus ache is earache. Earache. My ear hurts. Notice that we say an earache. I have an earache. Listen and repeat. I have an earache. Very good. Now let's talk about the throat. We do not say throat ache. No, we do not say that. We say sore throat. Sore throat. Sore means it hurts. Sore throat. It hurts when I drink water. I have a sore throat. Listen and repeat. I have a sore throat. Very good. Again, I have a sore throat. Let's practice the ache words. Remember, we say I have a. I will say the sentence, you say it after me. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a toothache. I have a backache. I have an earache. I have a sore throat. You are doing a fantastic job. Learning English is about repeating. Now let's learn about cold and flu symptoms. A cold is when you sneeze and cough. The flu is a very bad cold. Symptom number 1 is a cough. Cough. C-O-U-G-H. Cough. I have a cough. Listen and repeat. I have a cough. Good. Again, I have a cough. Symptom number 2 is a fever. Fever. F-E-V-E-R. Fever. A fever means your body is very hot. You are too hot. I have a fever. Listen and repeat. I have a fever. Good. Again, I have a fever. Symptom number 3 is a runny nose. Runny nose. Runny nose means water comes out of your nose. I have a runny nose. Listen and repeat. I have a runny nose. Very good. Again, I have a runny nose. Symptom number 4 is a sneeze. Sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Achoo! That is a sneeze. I sneeze a lot. Listen and repeat. I sneeze a lot. Good. Again. I sneeze a lot. Practice time again. Please repeat after me. I have a cough. I have a fever. I have a runny nose. I sneeze a lot. Very, very good. Now let's learn a new way to speak. Before we said I have a. For example, I have a fever. Now we will use the word feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. I feel. We use feel with adjectives. Adjectives describe things. Word number 1 is sick. Sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. I feel sick. This means I do not feel well today. My health is bad today. I feel sick. Listen and repeat. I feel sick. Good. Word number 2 is tired. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Tired means you want to sleep. You have no energy. I feel tired. Listen and repeat. I feel tired. Very good. Word number 3 is dizzy. Dizzy. D-I-Z-Z-Y. Dizzy. Dizzy means the room is spinning around you. You cannot stand up straight. Your head goes round and round. I feel dizzy. Listen and repeat. I feel dizzy. Good. Word number 4 is weak. Weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Weak is the opposite of strong. You cannot lift heavy things. Your arms and legs feel soft. I feel weak. Listen and repeat. I feel weak. Excellent. Let's practice. I will say a sentence. You repeat it. I feel sick. I feel tired. I feel dizzy. I feel weak. Great job. You are speaking English very well today. Now, let's imagine you are at the doctor's office. You are the patient. What does the doctor say? What do you say? Let's practice a short conversation. The doctor says, "Hello, what is the matter?" What is the matter means what is wrong, or why are you here? Listen and repeat the doctor's question. What is the matter? Good. Now you answer. You can use I have a or I feel. Doctor, what is the matter? You. I have a headache and I feel tired. Let's practice this. I will be the doctor, you be the patient. Tell me you have a headache and you feel tired. Ready? Doctor, hello, what is the matter? Did you say I have a headache and I feel tired? Good job. Let's try one more. The doctor asks, where does it hurt? Where does it hurt means show me the pain. Is it your head? Is it your stomach? Listen and repeat the doctor's question. Where does it hurt? You can answer, my stomach hurts, or my back hurts. Let's practice. I will be the doctor. You tell me your back hurts. Ready? Doctor, where does it hurt? Did you say my back hurts? Excellent. After you tell the doctor your symptoms, the doctor gives you advice. The doctor tells you what to do. Let's learn simple doctor advice. Advice number 1. Take some medicine. Medicine makes you feel better. You take medicine for a headache or a fever. Listen and repeat. Take some medicine. Good. Advice number 2. Get some rest. Rest means stop working, sit down, relax. Listen and repeat. Get some rest. Very good. Advice number 3. Drink plenty of water. Your body needs water when you are sick. Drink a lot of water. Listen and repeat. Drink plenty of water. Excellent. We are near the end of the podcast. It is time for our big review. We learned many words today. Let's remember all of them. I will say the word, you repeat it loudly. First, the ache words. Headache. I have a headache. Stomachache. I have a stomachache. Toothache. I have a toothache. Backache. I have a backache. Earache. I have an earache. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Next, the cold and flu words. Cough. I have a cough. Fever. I have a fever. Runny nose. I have a runny nose. Sneeze. I sneeze a lot. Next, the feel words. Sick. I feel sick. Tired. I feel tired. Dizzy. I feel dizzy. Weak. I feel weak. Now, let us do a final listening test. I will describe a sick person. You listen, try to understand what is wrong. Listen carefully. Hello, doctor. I do not feel well today. My head hurts a lot. My body is very hot. I want to sleep all day. What are the symptoms? Think about it. Let's check. My head hurts a lot means he has a headache. My body is very hot means he has a fever. I want to sleep all day means he feels tired. He has a headache, a fever, and he feels tired. Did you understand that? Very good. You did a fantastic job today. Learning new words is hard, but you practiced, you repeated, and you listened. That is the best way to learn English. If you are sick today, I hope you feel better soon. Remember to drink water and get some rest. And remember your new English words. Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. You can listen to this podcast again tomorrow. Repetition makes you perfect. Listen again and practice again. Have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, stay strong, keep practicing your English. Goodbye for now. See you next time.